Hey, good morning guys. Welcome back to my channel. It's a little bit earlier in the morning this time, so I am in the bathroom today because it's still a bit dark in my room, and for some reason when I turn the fan light on, it just leaves a weird glare on the camera. So I'm going to dip the test here today, and this is my 13 DPO. If you watched yesterday's test, we swore we saw a faint positive on the regular first response. So today, I'm taking a regular first response, the early detection one, and I'm going to go ahead and dip the other one, which is the rapid results. So I'm not sure if this one is less sensitive or if they have the same sensitivity, but I'm just going to go ahead and right off the bat dip them both and see the results on them. And then, I don't know, it's kind of bright outside. Maybe I can see the results outside, or it might be bright enough in here to see it. But let's do the regular first response first. As for symptoms, I am still spotting. Yesterday I thought the spotting was going to go away because it tapered off, especially towards the end of the day. I didn't really have any spotting the last few times that I wiped last night. So I thought the spotting was gone, but this morning I did have some on the toilet paper when I wiped. So the spotting is not gone completely. I'm trying to wait till this goes through on the test. I have felt some kind of, the best way I could explain it is like little pins and pricks in the uterus area, but sometimes I do get that before AF, so I'm not gonna say that that's a pregnancy symptom, but I know it can be because I definitely experienced that with my first two pregnancies. So this is the rapid results one. So I'm hoping today that I see something on first response that's darker than what I've been seeing the past 2 days. What I saw yesterday was darker than the day before, but I guess today will be the day that we know for sure if these are just indents or maybe the start of a faint positive line. Alright, it's definitely been enough time. I was trying to find something to set the camera on. I haven't looked at the results yet, so I'm going to try to focus it on the camera for you guys first. This is the regular first response. I don't know how good this will focus because I can't see what you guys can see. But let me look at it. I see still the same thing. I don't see any color to it, but I think the test is shifted a little bit to the left. So I do see the line still, but it's a little to the left. So that kind of confused me at first. Plus there's little particles and stuff here. I did bring my, hold on, let me turn you around. I brought my 12 DPO test from yesterday so I can kind of compare it. But there's not any much difference from the two lines. But you can see the line on this test is more towards the middle. I don't know if you can see 12 DPO's faint line. 13 DPO, it's really hard to see. I'm just thinking it's an indent at this point because if it was a pregnancy line, it should have been darker by now. I still got the other test, so let me bring that to you. This is the rapid results, which also has little things floating in it. Okay. I can't see anything from the camera. Let me try to get a closer look. I can't seem to see anything on this one at all. Not even the little gray indent line. All right, so that is my results for today. Definitely don't see anything on this one, so I'm gonna put that one to the side. Still, for some reason, these tests are showing, I'm guessing it's just an indent line. Not sure why it shows up on these tests and not the other ones. But I mean, there's something definitely there, and it's to the left a little bit because of the way the test is shifted. Don't know if you can catch it, but I'm just gonna say they're negative. Maybe all this time they have been negative. I feel like it should have been darker by now. I'm all out of first response now, so I guess the best bet would be to wait to see if AF shows between today or tomorrow. And if it doesn't show, then I guess I'll continue testing and just tracking my symptoms. But as of now, I'm not going to keep getting my hopes up. I think this is just how first response is. I've seen lots of people dealing with the same thing, thinking they're seeing lines, but it ends up not being lines. So we'll see what happens. I'm not going to waste any more money on the test because I'm so close to for time for AF to come anyway, so there's no point in buying anymore. I will just wait. If I don't get AF by tomorrow, 14 DPO, then I will go out and buy some more. But thanks for joining me back again. Still having my fingers crossed for myself and for you as well if you're on a TTC journey, and we will see what happens from here. I was hoping for better news today, but I don't know. Might just be the test too. I hate how like this line is almost in the middle of the test and it's not supposed to be like that. First response really needs to get their act together with these tests because there's always something wrong with them. All right, just one last look and that'll be it for today's video. Thanks for joining me again, and maybe I'll see you again tomorrow if I see that I do not get AF. All right, talk to you guys later.